Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now if you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, subscribe to get news and updates from the channel whenever I upload a video. So today we're going to talk about something different. I'm not going to give you news or anything. Today we're going to talk, both of us, me and you. I'm going to give my opinion and you'll be giving yours in the comment section. So who is the most important player at Asante Kotoko right now? Like, the squad will struggle without him. Who is that player? Put it down in the comment section. I know a lot of you will be going for Kwame Opoku. But do you think there's any other player in the team? Okay, let's say you use Kwame Opoku. Add a second person. Do you think there's any other person that, if he's not in the club, if he's not in the squad, they are going to struggle to get results, or they are going to struggle to play the game or get a positive result? So put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Me personally, I think apart from Kwame Opoku, of course, Abdul Ganiu is one of the players. I think he has grown into an important player for Kotoko. He's one of the players after Kwame Opoku that has gelled well into the team. Like, the club cannot do without him, like the squad cannot do without him right now. Did you see his performance against Liberty Professionals? It was amazing, fitting for a captain. Like, he wore the captain armband and he was just commanding, extraordinary. I think his partnership and Yusuf Mubarak was exceptional. I'm hoping to say that, and Habib Mohammed will have to work very hard to get into the starting lineup. Habib Mohammed might even come back because Johnson Smith likes to rotate, but I think right now that partnership is extremely extraordinary, and I think Abdul Ganiu is one of the best, one of the most important players. That's after Kwame Opoku at Asante Kotoko. I would like to know yours. Most of you might pick players that are different from these two. It's okay. I would like to hear or know different opinions or different aspects. Please, when you give your reason. Why do you think so player is the most important player at Asante Kotoko right now? Give your reasons why you do that, and I would like to hear yours. And you have heard my funny story about Abdul Ganiu. There was a time Kotoko was playing in the CAF Confederation Cup, or CAF, I think it was CAF Confederation Cup, against Kano Pillars, or CAF Champions League, yes, against Kano Pillars at Kumasi. That game, I attended that game, and I heard that Abdul Ganiu is coming back from injury very soon. I was like, how? Did he get the surgery done? They said no, he didn't, but he's okay now. After the game, I saw Abdul Ganiu. I was like, wait, they said you are coming back? He said yes. I said, are you serious? You didn't do the surgery, you are coming back without the surgery and you're okay? He said yes. I was like, wow, that guy is a fighter. Like, he amazes me anytime I see him. I was like, this is the same guy that that didn't do the surgery and he's playing so well. Last season, the truncated season, I think it was against Elmina Sharks, the game we played, 0-0 or 1-1. That game was one of the most difficult games I've seen in Kotoko. Seeing Kotoko play at the Accra Sports Stadium. Abdul Ganiu came and he was very shaky, like he wasn't fit. He was struggling to trap the ball, struggling to give accurate passes this season. That's why I feel it's not good to judge someone very early. That is why I'm still giving Sule Muniru a lot of time to improve and impress the fans. So right now, most important player, obviously Kwame Opoku, but Abdul Ganiu is not far off because he has been exceptional for Kotoko this season. I just hope I don't jinx his performance against Wafa, because that would be very, very bad. I just hope he continues playing very well for the club and giving the fans what they need and keeping clean sheets for the club. I think the partnership with Yusuf Mubarak and Razak Abalora, like, they understand themselves. When Razak Abalora gives instruction, they follow it the way he says it. So I'd like to know it right now. Put it down in the comment section. I want a lot of comments on this particular video, so put it down and tell me who is the most important player at Asante Kotoko. So that's all. If you haven't subscribed, you're watching this, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now and click notification bell. Till next time guys, peace out.